Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing batteries, then you remove the obvious screws plus the one hidden under the battery tray. This exposes the shell. Once done, use a T8 Torx driver for the 4 external screws and a small Phillips if needed. Make sure to pry along the seam with a plastic tool. This protects clips and plastic. You open only enough to access the bumper area. Don't yank the halves apart, because ribbon cables and clips are delicate and can tear. Once the shell is open, flip it to view the bumper mechanism. You'll see the pivot, spring, and contact pad. Next, remove the tiny E-clip or retaining screw that holds the pivot. Use tweezers and steady pressure, because it's easy to lose. Then lift the bumper off its post and slide the spring and contact pad out. This frees the bumper. Make sure to observe how the spring sits and which side the contact pad faces, because reassembly depends on correct orientation. To finish, reverse the steps. Place the contact pad and spring back into their seats, align the bumper pivot and secure the pivot with the E-clip or screw. Make sure it rotates smoothly. Once satisfied, close the shell, reinstall all screws, return the battery, and power on to test the bumper action. If the bumper feels sticky or unresponsive, clean contacts with 90% isopropyl and inspect spring tension. Reopen if needed, because correct spring placement fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.